First, open Chrome and search for the Chrome Web Store. If the store is blocked for you, you might see a white screen, an error, or the page won't load properly. To fix this, look at the address bar at the top of the window and click the site information icon, the padlock or the icon at the left of the URL. When the site info menu opens, choose the option to view site settings or site information. Next, locate and click reset permissions. This clears any blocked permissions for that site and restores the web store's default access. After resetting, reload the page. The Chrome Web Store should now load correctly. You can test it by opening any extension listing and clicking Add to Chrome. If the page loads, you'll be able to install extensions as normal. If it still doesn't work, try clearing site data for the web store, disabling interfering extensions temporarily, or restarting Chrome. These steps usually fix lingering issues. That's all. That's how you unblock the Chrome Web Store. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.